Assalamualaikum and greetings to Doctor. So my name is Hanis bin Ihaya and my metric number is 2866961. So today I would like to continue about the clinic web application development, and I would like to do a presentation about regarding the midterm assignment. Okay, so here's the continuation part from the assignment 2. So when the user log in or register, they will redirect to the home page. They will show the navigation bar, which is the service button and also the logout button. So when the user choose the service button, it will go to the service page, and then here is the welcome section. So the welcome message is dynamically personalized using the PHP session to display the username. So the username will be displayed in the welcome page. Okay, so here's the service part. So it will include the DB Connect PHP, which contains the code to establish a connection to the database, and then it will also defines a SQL query to select the service ID, service name, service description, and also the service price columns from the table service. And then this query will retrieve all the necessary details of the service offered by the clinic, and then we will do the SQL statement and then execute the statement. So this step will be recorded based on the query defined earlier, and then it will fetch all the resulting rows from the execute query as an associative array. And this is also for the service page. So it will also include the navigation bar, which is it will show the logout button and also the home button. And then for the main content, it will centralize the content within the page. So and then it will ensure the service section is visually distinct and organized. And then next is for the section title. It will also shows and display it. And then next for the service container, it will also group together. And then for the service card, it will divide the page into two equal width column for the service cards, so it will ensure that they are displayed side by side on the larger screen. And then for the individual service card, each service card is displayed with a gray border and shadow effect. Clicking on the card triggers the show service detail function to display more details, and then it will include the service image, name, description, and price in each service card. And the image is resized to a smaller width to fit within the card and maintain a uniform look. And then from the service card also, it will display the service name, description, and price within the card. Also provide the essential information about the service in a concise manner. And this is also for the service patch. So this is the outer container for the modal. So initially it is hidden and it is displayed when the user click on the service card, which is the view button, and it will also display the modal window. And then next for the model window, inside the model window, so it will display the header of the model with a yellow background, contains the service name centered within the model. And then the model body, it will also show the service description and also the service price. And then that's all from the model view. And this is the JavaScript for the function, and then it will show function show service details. So this function is triggered when a service card is clicked, which is the view button is clicked. It sends an AJAX request to fetch service PHP with the service ID, and then it will wait for the AJAX request to complete. If successful, it will respond to the service details, and then it will also populate the modal with the service name, description, and price from the response. It will make the model visible by setting its display style to block, and also it will also do the error handling if the logs an error message to the console if there is an issue fetching service details. And this is fetch service PHP. This PHP script is used to fetch the details of a specific service from the database based on the service ID provided in the URL query parameter. It returns the service details in JSON format, which can be used by JavaScript, and it will also include the database connection, and also it will check if the service ID is valid or not. And also we will prepare the SQL query, which is the service name, service description, and service price from the table service, where the service ID matches the provided ID services. and it will also bind the parameter, and also it will fetch the service detail as an associative array. And then the output will be convert the service details array to JSON format and outputs it. And then it will also do the error handling for the invalid service ID. If the service ID is missing or invalid, it will also output the error message. So here are the interface for the My Clinic web application development, and this is for the home page. As you can see, it shows the welcome is My Clinic, and then the service page which show the service description, service details, and also service price for the service pack. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.